folks, let's take a minute and talk about help tables. So it's a strange little thing I do sometimes is create my own utility tables. And a help table can be a place where you can record tasks or commonly needed things that I have to Google stuff all the time. So instead, I could just create a help table and look that up. An example of an existing system is if you've got Minion backup off of minionware.net, it's got a Minion.HELP procedure that'll go and look up that information for you and return it. Now, that's a little complex for what we're looking at today. Today, we're just going to do a simple, dbo.help table with topic, help text rather, and source URL. Because, you find a lot of neat stuff online. It would be nice to have that on hand on your own box or what have you. This could be a good study aid too, by the way. But anyway, so we're going to go ahead and create that table. And let's say we've got something cool we found online. We've got from my own blog, go figure, a thing that'll go through and print out rows from a table. Now, in this particular case, this is from another example where I'd put stored procedure text within a table. So this is just grabbing each one of those and pulling it out. So I'm going to copy the text from this. And since this is just for my own use, there's not any kind of issue with it. And the first thing that you've got to do, though, is for the code you want to put in the table, you got to replace all single quotes with a single quote followed by a single quote, right? Because once we put this and make it into a string, we don't want those errors cropping up. So so we've got our topic, print cursor, or a cursor that prints. We've got the help text itself, just that code. And I'm going to go ahead and include the source URL. Let's go ahead and copy that, Control C, go back over here, and here's the URL as source URL. So I think we've already created the table, right? We did that? Yeah, we already did that. So now we can insert that into our table. And now whenever I need to go back and, what was that one thing with that cursor? Select star from dbo.help, where topic like cursor, then I'll have at least one thing come up that says, oh yeah, print cursor, and this is where I got it from. One other recommendation I might do is to keep a notes column, right? So comments or notes, varchar max. Now, let's go ahead and drop and create. I could alter the table, but why not? So let's drop table help, right? Recreate it, reinsert it. And so now, if you wanted to, you could go in and say, oh yeah, comments, note to self, update help, and we'll do where topic like. Always a good idea to have a where clause with your update. Set comments equal to, grab each row from a table and print it to the screen. There we go. So then I can go back and say, okay, why did I want this? Oh, that's why I wanted this code. So yeah, just a nice little self-help. We're going to call this SQL self-help. We will. Yeah, just a quick little help table for yourself. Enjoy.